Hi Texas, this video is your second testing Pick 3 Pi Method video. If you are new here, all I do with this series is I go back about 30 days and I'm looking at the numbers that have already hit to see if it's possible to see from that the potential numbers hitting in the next 7 days. And then also to test that out, I do use the number pi, which is 3.14159. And so I take variations of that number and add that and subtract it from the numbers that have already hit. Your state seems to like Thursdays for this method. It also likes +1, -1 for the adjustment, which I'll cover in the video. And then for your state, it will not be covered in this video, but it also seems to like +2, -2. So when I'm going through the examples, keep in mind that you can also do +2, -2 to also get some more numbers if you like. I would highly recommend back testing that though before you play. In the first half of this video, I'll be showing you the backtesting method that I use. And then towards the end of the video, I'll show you the potential numbers that I think may hit in the next 7 days. Okay, so on April 9th, you had 350 hit. You're going to add 314. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 0 plus 4 is 4. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract 350 minus 314. So you have 3 minus 3, which is 0. 5 minus 1, which is 4. And then 10 minus 4, which is 6. And I did forget to mention that all math in the video will be lottery math. Okay, so from there, you're going to subtract 1 from the 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. You're going to bring down 0, 4. 0, 4, 5 did hit on April 16th. All right, and then from there, you're going to take that number, 664. Gonna add 159, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 1. 4 plus 9 is 13 or 3. 713 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 159, so you have 6 minus 1, which is 5. 6 minus 5, which is 1. 14 minus 9, which is 5. 515 also did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 046 that you got from up here. You're going to add 159, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 6 plus 9 is 15 or 5. 195 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 159, so you have 10 minus 1, which is 9. 4 minus 5, which is 14 minus 5, which is 9, and then 16 minus 9, which is 7. 997 did not hit in the next 7 days, so you're going to take 1 off of one of the 9s there, and then 9 minus 1 is 8. Bring down 97, and that did hit on April 11th. Alright, so from here, the rest of the video will be numbers that did hit and not numbers that did not hit. Okay, so on April 16th, you had triple 4 hit. You're going to add 314. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 758 did hit on April 22nd. This day was really interesting because you had about 3 to 4 numbers hit from that 758, and I'll go through those. So 758, you're going to add 1 to the 7, bring down 58, and then 858 did hit on April 18th. And then you can also subtract 1 from the 5 and the 758, so 5 minus 1 is 4, bring down 78, and then 748 did hit on April 23rd. And then you can also subtract 314, so you had 4 minus 3, which is 1, 4 minus 1, which is 3, and then 4 minus 4, which is 0. And then take off 1 from the 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring down the 1, 0, and then 1, 2, 0 did hit on April 20th. And then you can also add 159 to the 758. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 0. And then 8 plus 9 is 7. So 807, you're going to also subtract off the 1 from the 7. That's 6, and then bring down 80. And that did hit on April 22nd. All right, and then on April 23rd, you had 244 hit. You're going to subtract 314, so you have 12 minus 3, which is 9. 4 minus 1, which is 3, and then 4 minus 4, which is 0. And then 930 did hit on April 29. On April 30th, you had 416 hit. You're going to add 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 6 plus 4 is 0. You're going to add and subtract 159 from that 720. 720, so you're going to add 7 plus 1, which is 8. 2 plus 5, which is 7, and then 0 plus 9, which is 879. That number did not hit on the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 159 from 720. 7 minus 1 is 6, 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 10 minus 9 is 1. Add 1 to the 1 there, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down 67, and then 672 did hit on May 2nd. All right, Texas, so based on all of that, the potential numbers that may hit in the next 7 days, they're coming from your 445 that hit on your morning on Thursday of this week. Those numbers are 601, or the potential numbers I think may hit in the next 7 days is 601, 131, 859, and 130, 749, 121, 809, and 690. If you are new here, I do want to go through a very brief example on how these numbers may hit. Sometimes my numbers can be one-off. So the way the number may show up, for example, on 601, that may show as 501, 701, 611, 691, 602, or 600. Okay, that is it. Texas, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know.